Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is very important, like how to you protect your cat from like summer season, how to protect your cat from fungal infection, and how to protect your cat with different diseases and summer hotness. Okay, so if there you see how much there is there is 39 degree in summers. There is 39 degrees, so we want to protect our cat because I have a lot of cats and some cats are fighting, and he is my cat Simba, which is fight a lot with my kitten. So I want to put this Simba cat out, and also Mano, Momo and Coco, because they these are little bit naughty, so I not want to put their in. So but we want to protect our cats because this is over, so we want to protect. Okay, so let's see how we protect our cat from summers. Okay, so if there you see they are sleeping there, but they not feel very hot, but they are a little bit relaxed in there. But we preventions for your cat and see how to prevent your cat from summer seasons. Okay, and this is our cage, our cat's cage, and we also provide there a fan for our cats. Okay, so let's start this video. You want to provide a shade thing. Okay, if you live in, if you have any ground, so you want to put like that sheet on your cat area where your cat sleeping, and prevent like that, which I do there. Okay, so let's see what I do. So there I have this plate full of water. So now I put this water there. Okay, Simba, you want to stand like that. My cat also sit in there this area, so I also put little bit water, and the sands a bit of what you say. Okay, and this is also very good area, little bit there. And provide water for your cats 24 hours in clean bowls. When I put there, you also want your give a bath to your cat at least one time in a month in summer seasons. Okay, so guys, you now want to apple cider vinegar, or you also use aloe vera in water. I use this water and this apple cider vinegar, and in the cap I put apple cider vinegar. So now I put this cap into into water, apple cider vinegar cap. Mix it and add into this bottle. Now spray this water on your cats.